4312 Kenmore, Parma, Ohio. This one again has another lot. As I said before, this one, the outside's all painted, but we're really cranking on the inside. So this is gonna be a very nice house when it's done. Again, it's in Parma, Ohio. How we doing, Dave?
Good, Brad. How you doing?
Putting up 40 sheets of sheetrock in this one, huh?
Yeah, we've been putting a lot of it there.
So that's all getting covered too?
Yeah.
Just so, where else did you do that? I saw you did it right
Over
here.
there.
That guy be looking like that. Good job.
And in the bedroom also.
Okay, I'll go in there in a minute. Thanks. So you can see here we got all the bathroom plumbed in. So there's your toilet, your vanity, and your showers right over there. So that's all plumbed in, ready to go. You can see here in the bedroom where he did do that. Again, those used to be shelves. We don't see any particular need to have those, so we get rid of them. And so that's all come there. We didn't do anything in the basement this week because there's so much to do up here, but that'll be next week. Let's go in here, and the kitchen is all dry locked in. So this will be the kitchen. All this will be the kitchen. Be a nice big kitchen. We tore out this wall so they can get the furniture up and the stairs. So that's very important. Otis noticed that. So hey Otis, how are we doing?
We're doing good. We got to finish drywalling this upstairs today.
That's going to create 2 more bedrooms, or another bedroom.
Yes. Yep.
You can see this is going to be the hallway. This is all this. You see this used to be halfway, but now we got all this getting sheetrocked in, so it'll be a nice, good sized bedroom too, huh, Otis? These are good sized bedrooms.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What we're going to do with these shelves?
I haven't decided yet. They might just stay there.
Okay.
You know, they seem to match pretty good.
You put some insulation in over here?
A little bit, and then we're gonna make a closet.
Okay.
That's what
Right there? Okay.
Framing up for the closet.
So this is looking really good. So we got a little ways to go with this one, but it's going to get done in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
So again, this is 4312 Kenmore in Parma, Ohio. If you have any questions, 216-703-5740. I'm Brett. I'm with Key Realty. Check on my websites below. Thanks. Have a great day.